Welcome to the Accountability Trader. It's all about accountability, consistency, and growth. Let's have a look at the market. Good evening, traders. I'm the Accountability Trader, and it is Friday the 19th. We've had quite the week on the charts this week. I've completely stayed away from it, bar one trade on Monday. A lot of news, a lot of big spikes, a lot of changes in momentum that, for me, aren't tradable. No respect of any structure, just completely played through. It'd be very interesting to see what the markets have had to offer today, because I haven't touched them. As we can see here, we came in today, we've moved down lower and lower. We are completely oversold for the past 2 days. No levels in which I had opportunities to buy. Be interesting to see if we come down to this sort of level where we've tested again. Be interested to see if we get anything here on Monday. With the way the weeks have been opening up, or the days have been opening up, we've had quite big moves. We're already very close to it. Whether we respect that or not is something completely up to the markets, and we'll find that out on Monday. Big moves this week. Big moves. Let's go on to the next pair. Euro dollar. Again, just been putting moves down since Wednesday. We've been oversold, so we're looking for buying opportunities. Not really. There might have been one there off this sort of like price action level. Came in, just completely lost momentum. Same thing. No, not even there. That one's too big of a candle. Yeah, nothing here that I could have traded. Maybe on our Sunday analysis might have a few patterns, but again, for me personally, probably not, due to this massive wick here. That's something I want to try to ignore, but I can't. That is still a structure level for me. So on Sunday, we'll go back through, we'll have a really good look, see what there is about, check all of our structure levels, see if we can get some good trades in next week. I don't think it's as... Got another Fed chair next week. There is quite a bit of news. We'll have a look, see what is most important to look at. Keep an eye on that and see how next week plays. So here we had a big push down. Didn't get any opportunity up here to sell for me personally. That would have been a nice candle there, but again, I didn't have my RSI levels leading up to it, so I couldn't touch that. For me personally, nothing on this pair either. This one mimics it pretty much exactly the same. Pushed through this kill zone, did exactly what I was expecting it to. Had the ABCD pattern and we pushed right up, smashed through this level, which is very interesting. Not something I can personally trade, just through, again, this week's happenings. Be very interesting to see how we level out, whether we get a retest of this area. Australian dollar against the dollar, just new lower lows. It's all moved down very steep, but also quite a lot of consolidation within. Like, there hasn't been a massive amount of movement, bar the new shifts. This one brought us up to a nice level up here. That would have been an entry that I would have taken if I was in the markets, but again, came up. Yes, probably would have got a good trade out of this one, actually, at least a 1-to-1. But I've just completely stayed out since yesterday, so that's fine by me. Pound against the yen, quite a bit of movement on this pair. We'll have a look at our structure levels on Sunday. We've just been putting in lower lows again. This pair we've been putting a lot of higher highs, then played around this sort of support level, pushed up through one news, pulled back through with the opening of the markets today. And the Bank of Japan was today, I believe. Let's have a look. Pretty sure Bank of Japan was this morning. Yeah, so that's why we stayed out completely today. And as you can see, it brought us straight back down completely against what was being put in. Australian dollar against the yen, pretty much sideways. This pair's been a little strange last couple of days. Just moves with the news. Here we smashed through the support level, or the resistance level I was looking at, sorry. I might have had, haven't even got a pattern in here, it's just nothing I can particularly trade. EMA's been playing around as well. Then we've got Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. Sideways, may have a wee pattern there, but I'll have a look at that on Sunday. I done gold. I have. Went straight past gold, sorry. And gold, again, just been playing around these levels, up and down. That's it for Friday. Friday's not done anything for me this week. I've just completely stayed out. It's not worth me trading when things are so uncertain. It's not who I am. I'm working on my ability to take wins and losses and be as level-headed as I can, I suppose. Big news weeks, I need to stay out. It doesn't do me any good. The wins give me too much of a high and the losses bring me down too much. So if I can stay out of any uncertainty, then it's going to make me a lot better trader for it. Anyway, off the charts today, not doing anything tomorrow. Back on Sunday for our analysis, and we'll see what we can predict leading into the next week. That's it for today's analysis. I'm the Accountability Trader, and I'll see you soon.